Here's a list of advanced English words with simple meanings to help beginners understand and expand their vocabulary.
1. Meticulous. Very careful and detailed. She is meticulous about her homework. 2. Serene. Calm and peaceful. The lake looked serene in the morning. 3. Benevolent. Kind and generous. He is a benevolent leader who helps others. 4. Ambiguous. Not clear, having more than one meaning. His answer was ambiguous and confusing. 5. Resilient. Able to recover quickly from trouble. Children are often resilient after tough times. 6. Inevitable. Certain to happen, unavoidable. Change is inevitable in life. 7. Exuberant. Full of energy and joy. The kids were exuberant at the party. 8. Plausible. Seems reasonable or likely. Her excuse sounded plausible. 9. Candid. Honest and straightforward. He gave a candid opinion about the movie. 10. Reluctant. Unwilling, not eager. She was reluctant to join the group.
11. Adversity. A difficult situation. She faced adversity with courage. 12. Alleviate. To make less painful. The medicine will alleviate the pain. 13. Apprehensive. Worried about something. He felt apprehensive before the exam. 14. Authentic. Real or genuine. This is an authentic Italian recipe. 15. Boast. To talk proudly. She likes to boast about her achievements. 16. Comprehend. To understand. It's hard to comprehend this problem. 17. Conceal. To hide. He tried to conceal his mistake. 18. Confident. Sure of yourself. She is confident about her decision. 19. Consequence. Result of an action. Lying has consequences. 20. Crucial. Very important. Sleep is crucial for health. 21. Deteriorate. Become worse. Her health began to deteriorate. 22. Diligent. Hardworking. He is a diligent student. 23. Discreet. Careful, private. She was discreet with her opinion. 24. Elaborate. Detailed. He gave an elaborate explanation. 25. Emphasize. To highlight. Teachers emphasize the importance of reading. 26. Endure. To suffer patiently. They had to endure a long wait. 27. Evaluate. To judge. We need to evaluate the results. 28. Exaggerate. To overstate. Don't exaggerate your story. 29. Fascinate. To interest deeply. Dinosaurs fascinate children. 30. Feasible. Possible. This plan is not feasible. 31. Frustrated. Annoyed. He felt frustrated with the delay. 32. Genuine. Real, honest. Her smile was genuine. 33. Gratitude. Thankfulness. He showed gratitude for the help. 34. Hostile. Unfriendly. The crowd became hostile. 35. Imitate. To copy. Children often imitate adults. 36. Impressive. Amazing. Her performance was impressive. 37. Indicate. To show. The arrow indicates the direction. 38. Irritate. To annoy. Loud sounds irritate me. 39. Justify. To give reasons. He tried to justify his actions. 40. Legible. Easy to read. Her handwriting is legible. 41. Mandatory. Required. Wearing helmets is mandatory. 42. Modify. To change. We need to modify the design. 43. Neglect. Ignore or forget. He neglected his duties. 44. Obsolete. Outdated. This phone model is obsolete. 45. Oppose. To be against. They oppose the new law. 46. Perceive. To understand. He perceives the world differently. 47. Precise. Exact. Give a precise answer. 48. Provoke. To cause a reaction. Don't provoke the dog. 49. Recollect. To remember. I can't recollect his name. 50. Reluctant. Not willing. She was reluctant to speak.